Hello all. We are going to test the keypair.generate method that comes from Solana web3.js. Yeah, we're going to import one more thing. This BS58 will be essential for us to console log the secret key or the private key by converting it into base 58. Now, this method on line 4 is going to generate the key pair and it is going to save it into this constant new key pair. And when we console log it, we are going to see what is inside that. So I'll just console log this one. I'm using Yarn as the package manager. I'm using TS node so that I don't have to generate the JS before running it. I can run it as the TS file itself. Yeah, we got an error. We were not in the correct folder. As you can see, it's inside local. So we have now changed the directory. Yeah, now we'll do the same. And it does run. Let's see what was console logged. Here is an object called the key pair. Inside that is another object called underscore key pair, and inside that is the objects or the arrays that we are interested in. Here is the public key. You can see the type, and you can see here 32 indicates the number of elements this array has. It starts with 130 and ends with 189. We can just remember that for a moment. This all this is 32 elements. You can also count that each line is 8 elements, and there are 4 lines. Right below it is the secret key. The secret key is the private key, which is not supposed to be shared, but since we are doing local development, this is how it looks. You can see the secret key is bigger than the public key array, and here you can see the count. It's 64 bits, 64 bytes. And for comparison, you can see you can look for this number 130 179, and wherever you find that is around here 130 179, from there on the sequence is the same as the public key. I'll just make it a little bigger. Yeah, so the sequence from here on 130 179, and you can see it ends at 189. This is the same exact sequence. So the last 32 bits of the secret key are the same as the public key. So if you're going to store this key pair that is generated, you just need to store the secret key, because the public key can be generated from the secret key itself. Now we'll be going back and trying a few more things. Here we console log the whole thing, but we could also console log just what is necessary. Now we're going to console log the public key. Let's console log the secret key first. So we're doing a console log, and we're logging just the secret key. As you can see, the uint 8 array of 64 elements and the same key that we saw in our previous console log. Let's go and do the other one. The new key pair has these methods inbuilt. So public key. We're going to console log it, and you see that something looking a little bit different has been logged. There's a public key, and this looks to be the public key over there, and then this underscore bn looks like something else. We shall find out what that is in the next video.